welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the team cooking up some whole heap of food for you. Anyway, today we'll do you some chicken breast, and it is some stuffed chicken breast with some Calaloo inside of it. Guys, it's an amazing recipe. So hopefully you will fancy this recipe and share it with your friend, your neighbor, your sister. Tell someone about this lovely fancy chicken breast stuffed with Calaloo. Some people use stir fry, some people use a lot of different things in the chicken breast. Some people use garlic and butter, some people use cream cheese and spinach and also different stuff. So I use Calaloo inside of my one stuffed chicken breast. So hopefully you will like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back to the cooking show with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Guys, it's amazing to be in the kitchen one more time again. But anyway, we're gonna give you a nice lovely chicken breast recipe stuffed with Calaloo. But the first thing we need to do is to wash off the chicken and get it marinated. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna marinate it by simple. Put some coarse pepper on it like this. That's the coarse pepper. Second thing, I got some mixed herb. I'm gonna put some mixed herbs on it also. Teaspoon of mixed herb. Second thing, a teaspoon of paprika. And second thing, we're gonna put some everyday season, 1 teaspoon of everyday season for extra flavor. And also we're gonna put some, here it is, I got some ginger, garlic and pimento mixed together. That's a little pinch. And then some chicken season, and that's it. A teaspoon of chicken season. Just a pinch of oil. Put on the gloves and rub it up like this. After you rub it up, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put on this for roughly an hour for it to go and soak, alright? Nice and lovely. So we're just gonna put this down for an hour for it to go and soak. Nice and lovely. So I just finished an hour ago marinate my chicken breast, and I did cook up some Calaloo a bit earlier. This is the Calaloo which I cook up earlier. Just fry it up with some peppers to stuff inside of the chicken breast. So basically what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to do this one. So that's the chicken breast which we already marinated. Put that on the side. And all I'm gonna do is just get a cotton board. Simple. Get one of the chicken breasts and simple get a knife. Simple push down and hold the rice straight down inside of the chicken breast like this. Make sure you got a nice good hole that nothing can come out. See, this one already have a hole right here, so this one is a little bit difficult. So what you do, try and just find another section which the chicken breast can go down in. That's the chicken. That's that lovely Calaloo can go down inside of it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna find another section. If not, what you can simply do, just take a little time, simple cut away a piece of the chicken. Alright, lovely and nice. So that's not too bad, but the only problem is these chicken breasts, you have to be careful for the one. So I will never use this one. Alright, so next thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this one, and look at this one now. Simple. Look for it, make sure it doesn't have anything coming out, because that's what's gonna spoil it, and you don't want it to spoil. You want it to get straight down inside of it. Alright, Alright, so this one is very good. Alright, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop some calaloo down inside of it like this. Straight down inside of it like this, guys. I want you to see exactly what I'm talking about. So you can see, that's a little pop, but that's fine. That's not too bad like the one before. Nice and lovely. So I just finished stuff in the calaloo inside of it. And basically what I simply say to you guys, it's an amazing recipe. Some people use spinach and cheese, some people use garlic and butter, some people use different stuff, but I'm just using calaloo, guys, the Jamaican style. So as you can see, the calaloo is inside of it. I didn't do this one. I do this one, this one, and this one, and this one, but I didn't do this too. Right inside of it, the calaloo is, so we're gonna put them in the oven and cook them for roughly 25 to 30 minutes. Gas mark 8 or 9. If you use a different kind of oven, at 165 or 175 is good for 25 to 30 minutes inside of the oven. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. So as I can see, this is a chicken breast right here. I just take it from the oven and I can see how they're looking so lovely and nice. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut up one and share it out. Okay, guys can see the way it look on the plate. Lovely color, and as you can see, exactly. So hopefully you guys like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And that's the chicken breast, exactly what we're talking about, stuffed with calaloo. Look at this now, we're gonna share it out. Nice. So basically, simple slice it like this, like this, like this, and like this. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply put it on the plate. I'm gonna show you exactly what we're all about when we're talking about this kind of chicken breast stuff. Calaloo. It's an amazing recipe, guys. I could make a nice lovely gravy to serve with it, but I said to myself, you know what I mean, if you guys like gravy or anything, this is exactly what we're talking about. So right here, as you can see, this is the calaloo inside of the chicken breast, looking lovely and nice, and I'm serving a nice lovely piece of a pop chow. So nice recipe. So hopefully guys like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you, and hopefully we can see you with the best and better recipe in the future. See you next time.